Good day everyone, especially to you sir. Before I start, I'm Christopher C. Ramos and today we are tackled about the benefits of technology in the classroom. The use of technology in the classroom is helpful because it develops critical thinking in students and prepares them for future challenges. And technology can save much time for students because technical devices such as tablets, computers, laptops, and mobile devices work faster than traditional methods. Yan po sir, kapag ang estudyante ay may gusto nang isave, pwede niya na po itong picturean at nisisave na po ito agad. Hindi po katulad dati na kailangan pang isulat ito sa kanilang notebook. Ngayon po sir, pwede na po nila itong picturean upang masave agad. Mas napapabilis po nito ang gawain ng isang estudyante. And today, sir, the internet has become global by using it. Students can be more efficient by joining classes virtually. And the teachers can upload classes into different remote learning applications such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams for students, and students can access it anytime and anywhere in the world. Katulad po nung pandemic, yung mga estudyante po sir ay online classes lamang. Mas lalong ginagamit yung mga devices nung pandemic. Hanggang ngayon po sir, mas nagagamit po yung yung mga devices kahit saan ka man pwede kang mag-online class, pwede kang mag-join sa kahit anong applications, and kahit saan ka man pwede kang mag-join nito. And the teachers can use it to teach concepts like they usually would, or to allow students to collaborate and share ideas. Is a good way to keep students interested and to involve in classwork. Through technology, it is also easy for parents to keep track for their child's performance by receiving message and updates from school through the school's mobile app. We believe technology used in teaching is great for students and that it will also lead to be more interactive in the classroom. And other technology can help develop many practical skills, including creating presentations, learning to differentiate reliable for unreliable sources of the internet, maintaining proper online etiquette, and writing emails. And that's all, sir. Thank you.